Text functions in Excel. Part 4. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to import data into Excel from a text file and prepare it properly for use in our worksheet. We have a text file called email addresses, which contains email addresses and reference numbers separated by a comma. You may download this file from the lesson website. The comma is known as a delimiter, meaning it separates one piece of information from another. Our aim is to import this file into Excel so that each item appears in its own column and can be used correctly. First, open the Excel workbook from the previous lesson. Before importing any external data, it is good practice to create a temporary worksheet so that we do not interfere with any existing formatting or formulas. Now go to the Data ribbon and click on From Text or CSV. Locate the file email addresses and select Import. A preview window will appear showing how Excel interprets the data. At this stage, it is important to confirm that the delimiter is set to comma. Remember that a delimiter is a character that separates one piece of information from another. In our case, a comma will be used to separate the two parts of the original text. If the delimiter is correct, the preview should show the email addresses in one column and the reference numbers in another. If everything looks correct, click on Load To rather than simply Load. This allows you to control where the data will be inserted. Choose to load the data in an existing worksheet. Once you click OK, Excel extracts the data from the text file and inserts it into your new worksheet. Before using this data, we need to make sure it is clean. Text files often contain extra spaces before or after text values, and these can cause problems later when using functions. To remove any unnecessary spaces, let's use the trim function. At this stage, the cleaned email addresses are produced by a formula. However, we do not want to keep the formulas. We only want the final values. Select the cleaned column, copy it. Select the worksheet Text to Columns and use Paste Special and choose Values. This replaces the formulas with the actual text. When you are completely satisfied that the import and cleaning process has been completed correctly, you may delete the temporary worksheet.